Hey everyone, Crash from Crash Customs, Lake Havasu, Arizona, and I'm pretty stoked today. Pretty stoked. New project just got dropped off. What? What could it be? This? Nope, that's been here a minute. Look outside over the roof. See that? Way out there. Tim and Linda's 1968 442. Numbers matching. Pretty cool car. What makes it super cool? Pretty cool car. What makes it super cool is Tim bought it brand new when he was 17. Original owner. Original owner. How many of us wish we still had our first cars? Not me. I do have my first car, my first two cars, but that's another story. See that plate? 1982 was the last time it was on the road. What's the chance? What's the chance? And will it run? Yeah, it runs. It drives. But it's coming in for a complete redo. Frame off restoration. She needs some work. She is rough around the edges. There's one edge that's rough. What? Oregon, right there. Not an AZ car. That's right, we can fix it all. Check out the hood. Yeah. I think I did say it's numbers matching. It's going to be a complete restoration, all original, back to stock. And I think it's deserved. I think it's deserved because look inside. What's this? 4-speed, 3 pedals, 6,300 cars in 68, 442 manual trans. Pretty rare. We know 6,300 still ain't on the road. Let me show you under the hood. Really untouched. Virgin. Hasn't been molested yet. They just put a oil pressure gauge on it. Make sure it still is good with that. And it is. Lots of cool things on here. I don't know how well you all know 68 442s, but they have pretty cool interiors. Pretty cool interiors. Check out these knobs. I think they're super cool. Little indents. Put your fingers. I mean, what other car has that? Even the lighter. If you're old enough to remember what lighters are in cars. And what's this? What goes there? Grilled cheese sandwich? Nope. 8-track radio along with the stock AM transistor radio. Super cool center console. Yeah, that's just my friend saying hi. Little beep beep in the background. Cool. That's super cool. Matches the ribs on the center console. Olds emblem up there. Got some cool contours to it. Nobody's messed with any of this. Bucket seat car. What's in here? Nothing's in there. All cleaned out. Ready for me to tear it apart. And we're gonna tear it apart. Like I said, frame off, restoration, body on a rotisserie, fix the rust, new chrome, a little more crustiness. Got the 442 bumper, of course, the exhaust cutouts. Gotta have that. plate. 1982. Do the math on that last time it was on the road. Let me grab the keys and show you what's in the trunk. That's the color we're going back to. Metallic green, original. It's a vinyl top car. Sample of what the vinyl top color is. Look at that in the sun. Super cool color, almost like it's a pearl vinyl almost. Miscellaneous pieces back here, pieces for the hood. Yeah, interior light, trunk light. Jacking instructions still there. Well, obviously that fender and door needs to be adjusted. We won't open that. I don't know, should we get those re-chromed? No. Back in 1982, all the paint was stripped to bare metal, and this is two-part epoxy to prevent any kind of rust getting even worse. That will obviously be all stripped, sandblasted, and we'll start fresh with bare metal. Let's fire it up. It sounds good, other than the exhaust. Definitely needs a complete. Look at that. Fired right up, super easy. Sounds good. Let's pull it in. I can see through the rust hole in the hood. Parking brake even works. How many times did Tim slam through the gears on this showing off? Probably quite a few. Quite a few, I bet. Pretty smooth. They knew how to build them back then. To shut it down. We'll shut it down. Not too bad. I'd like to put it up on the hoist and show you all the chaos that needs to be fixed underneath, but we will show you that. I can't right now. Got my dually on the 4-post, Suburban project on the 2-post. We will show you what's going on as we attack it. So please like, comment, and subscribe. There's going to be a ton of content on the 442 project.
Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. We really do appreciate it. For all the 442 experts, drop in the comments what 442 stands for.